How to order samples from Alibaba suppliers. Want to check a product's quality before you buy? This guide shows you how to order samples from Alibaba suppliers so you can buy with confidence. First, you need to contact the supplier and tell them that you want to order a sample. Be clear about the product that you want, its specifications, and the shipping address. You can also ask them about the cost of the sample and the shipping. Keep in mind that samples are often more expensive than the actual product. This is because they have to be made and shipped in small quantities. You can even try to negotiate with the supplier to get a lower price, so you don't expect it to be a big discount. You should always use trade assurance to pay for your sample. This is a free service from Alibaba that protects your order. If something goes wrong with the sample, Alibaba will help you get a refund. You now know how to order samples from Alibaba suppliers. Get ready to check the quality of the products. Like and subscribe for more business tips.